Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to talk about the trendiest and most luxurious flooring option of 2025, which will give your home a premium and unique look. Yes, we are talking about the epoxy metallic flooring designs. This is a flooring that's not only making waves in the homes but also in factories, showrooms and office. So let's find out how to get it installed and what is the cost and how much long it lasts. So plus I'm going to share some essential tips to ensure you get your money's worth it. So friends, now I'm going to discuss what is epoxy flooring design. So it's a type of flooring where resins and hardener are mixed to create a glossy, shiny and mirror like surface. Like you can see in this video, you won't see any joints like tiles. Whether you want golden, silver or 3D designs like ocean skies or custom patterns, everything is possible. Like you can see in this video, there are designs beautiful are available. The best part is this flooring shines under the light and gives your interiors a royal look. So friends, now let's talk about how the flooring is installed. So first your floor must be prepared, like meaning the raw plaster or concrete surface should completely smooth and dry. Then follow these some important tips, like first a primer is applied to the floor and left to dry for 24 hours. After that, if you want a metallic look, metallic pigments are mixed into the resin. For 3D designs, a printed sheet like ocean, sky patterns is laid first. After that, next to three top coats are applied, which also include anti-slip properties, so it won't be slippery even if water spills. So for curing, each coat requires 24 hours of curing time. Overall, a 4-5 mm thickness flooring is created, which lasts for 15 to 20 years easily. So now the big question is that how much it will cost. Earlier, this flooring was only used in industrial areas and could go up to 500 to 600 rupees per square feet. Now it has become affordable for homes too in 2025. The market rate for this is 150 to 250 per square feet depending upon the designs and the quality. So for example, if you are doing 10 by 15 hall, the cost could range from 28 to 30,000 rupees. Yes, it's slightly more expensive than the tile, but in terms of looks and customization, there is no match. So friends, if you are wondering where to get this done, several companies in India provide nationwide services. Some trusted companies are Epoxy Polymers, Generous X-Ray, High-Crit Decorative System, or for alternatively, you can buy these materials like resin, hardener and pigments from the local market and hire the professional to install them. These materials are also available on platforms like Amazon. My suggestion is to always use these IS certified and branded materials and hire the professional for the job. So from an interior design perspective, I recommend choosing 3D epoxy flooring designs or metallic, like blue color, white metallic flooring, even white with golden strips. It gives the finest and most premium look. So use the same design and color throughout the house like golden or silver shades. This reduce the wastage and ensure a uniform look. So when the lights are on, this flooring will shine, making your home look like a 5-star hotel. So friends, now some essential tips to ensure your flooring for last longs. Avoid the moisture, so the floor should not have any moisture or dampness or the flooring may peel off. Ensure the ventilation, there might be a slight odor for 7 to 8 days after installation, so good ventilation is a must. And for use of branded materials, so always use ISI certified materials and professional tools. And follow the curing time, allow the 24 hours for each coat to cure and avoid heavy traffic for 2-3 days. And avoid the harsh chemicals. So don't use the strong chemicals or sharp tools on the flooring as they can cause stretch. So epoxy flooring is easy to maintain, just clean regularly with a dry or damp cloth. So friends, if you want to give your home a trendy, luxurious and unique look in 2025, epoxy metallic flooring is the best choice. It's not just beautiful but also durable and customizable. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, share it and subscribe to my channel, and let us know in the comment box which design you would choose for your home. So friends, while installing the epoxy flooring designs, you should remember important points like I previously told you that first, surface preparation is crucial. Remove any old paint, dust, grease or oil completely, and if there are any cracks, they should be filled and repaired first. The concrete surface must be clean, dry and level. And if the floor has moisture, epoxy won't bond properly. So if moisture content is high, you may need to waterproofing first. And common types like solvent based, water based and 100% solid epoxy. Choose the right type of epoxy because 100% solid epoxy is more durable but also more expensive. And avoid installing epoxy in extreme temperatures. High humidity can affect the proper curing. And one coat is not enough, usually needed primer coat, base epoxy coat, top coat for shining and durability. And for anti-skid finish, you can add coarse sand or anti-skid flakes between the coats. And it needs at least 24 to 72 hours to cure completely. And avoid walking or placing heavy loads during this period. Ideal thickness is between 2 mm to 5 mm. So too thin a layer will wear out quickly. So friends, I hope that this video helped you to make a beauty floor designs. And so friends, if you like this video, then please like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting to my channel.